In January of this very year, 2025, I spoke at length about how to set goals. I spoke about how the year has 365 days, packaged into 12 months, packaged into 52 weeks, and packaged into 365 days. And it was like a joke. And I said, we are all starting on a clean slate, and all of us have almost the same amount of time, but others will be crying foul. And now is month number 8. It's month 8. And this month, it's about you having to reflect, because we've gone past the halfway mark already, which was June, almost 2 months ago. And now it's time to catch up. It's time to snatch that victory from the jaws of defeat. So I'm asking you a question. What is it that is holding you back? How far are you from the promises that you made at the beginning of the year? Remember, you were saying, this year I'm going to do A, this year I'm going to do B, this year I'm going to do 3, this year I'm going to do 4. How far are you? Do you know one of the reasons why you may be far from that, from achieving those things, is because you fail to understand that for you to achieve, for you to have something that you never had, you've got to be the person that you've never been. You've got to be willing to become the person that you've never been. So what does that mean? It means that you've got to be willing to learn and install new habits, to have new ideas, to have new people around you, to have people that will challenge you. So my question is, how far are you from the promises that you made to yourself and to those people around you that you will have achieved by the end of the year? We've got about 3.5 months to go. How far are you? Are you on track? I am here to sit down and help you where you need some assistance. You know, as a coach, looking at how the brain works is not over yet. So it's time right now to be able to finish strong. It's time to be able to look back and say, what should I continue doing because it helps me? What should I stop doing because it's no longer serving me? And what should I introduce? These 3 things will need someone who is a bit qualified, someone that will be able to hold you accountable, someone that will be able to help you see the things that you are blinded to. So, are you ready? Then if you are, don't waste any time. Let's connect. Let's claim what rightfully belongs to you.
To engage us further on our services, keynotes, workshops, coaching and merchandise, visit our website velindaba.com.